Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So, this is the lecture for class 4th, subject English reasoning. And today's our topic is prefix and suffix. And this is our lecture 1. So, in this lecture, the contents which I am going to take are, first of all, I will tell you about prefix and suffix. I will tell you about prefix and suffix with the help of the definition, and then we will do some sentences related to it, that where we add prefix and where we have to add suffix. Now let's proceed the same. Now let me tell you about prefix. A prefix is a group of letters placed before a root word. For example, the word unhappy consists of prefix un, which means not. That means not happy. When we add un in front of the root word, that is happy, then the word will become unhappy and the meaning of the word will be that not happy. I hope you understood now what is prefix. In the same manner, I will tell you about suffix also. So, let me tell you about suffix. A suffix is a group of letters placed after the root word. So, here you have to take care that in prefix you have to add the group of letters before a root word, and in suffix you have to place the group of letters after the root words. For examples, the word flavorless consists of root word flavor combined with suffix less, which means without. That means having no flavor. So flavorless means that the thing without having flavor. So I think you understood the meaning of prefix and suffix, and you very well came to know that when we add prefix, how the meaning of that word changes, and when we added suffix in the root word, then how the meaning of the particular word changes. I hope you understood, and you have to take care while doing the sentences which I will discuss with you right now in this particular lecture. I will discuss the particular sentences with you. Now, let's take few sentences. Complete the following sentences by adding prefix or suffix from the option. Here is the sentence, and according to the sentence, few options are given, and you have to tick the correct option. You have to see that where prefix will come or suffix will come. The new government made many developed dash plans. So here you can see that you have to add the letters, group of letters after the particular word, after the root word. So that means it's a suffix, and we will add ment. Development. The new government made many development plans. So I hope you understood this first part. Now let's proceed to the second part. Now here is the second part. He is feeling dash secure in that company. So here you can see that there are few options given after this particular sentence, and here the first option will come unsecure. He is feeling unsecure in the company. Ill-secure, insecure, dissecure. These are not the appropriate words. Now let's come to the third sentence. My parents are dash with my result. So first we can see unhappy. Unhappy is not a word. Unhappy, yes, unhappy is a word. So un will come over here, and it will make a new letter by adding prefix un. Unhappy unhappy with my result. So I hope you understood these sentences. Now let's continue with more sentences. So the next sentence is spring is a joy dash season. So what will come over here? Full, ing, ity, er. So here full will come and we will fill in the blanks. Joyful. Spring is a joyful season. And you can tick over here. This is the correct answer. Now come to the next part, that is fifth one. I dash like fake people. I dash like fake people. So which word will come over here? Miss, dis, in. Over here B part will come dis. I dislike fake people. I dislike fake people. So in this way you have to add prefix and suffix according to the particular word. So dear student, you have to watch this lecture twice to understood this topic, prefix and suffix. And I will give homework accordingly. I will send the assignment for it, and you are supposed to do the assignment and send on my ID. I hope you understood. Please go through the video. Thank you. Have a good day.